Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Maps to your car Bluetooth. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android, you're going to open up your settings first. We need to make sure Bluetooth is turned on and connected to your car because obviously that's how your phone connects to your car. So let's go to Bluetooth here. And you can see, of course, that's toggled on. If that is off, just turn it on. And you'll be able to see it should pop up with your devices. In my case, Grenadier is my truck. And you'll be able to see I can tap on the little I next to it. Now, of course, you wanted to connect to your car or truck or whatever vehicle you have. If this doesn't work for you, you can always hit forget this device and then just go back and reconnect to it. After we're connected to it through Bluetooth, it should pop up with Google Maps in there in Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. However, if this doesn't work for you, let's hop out of here and open up the Google Maps app. Now within here, we have to turn on a couple of things so that it works in your settings. So let's tap on the profile button at the very top right. And after you've done that, you can see towards the bottom is settings. Just tap on settings here. And now if you want it to be able to talk to you as you navigate around and drive around, we need to turn it on so that it will navigate you in the navigation portion. So tap on navigation here. And now from here, we're going to scroll down. There are two things that we need to turn on. One is play the voice over Bluetooth. This is the voice that tells you to turn left and right. And a lot of times this doesn't work on its own. You also need to turn on play as a Bluetooth phone call. This will essentially act as if Google Maps is calling your phone in your car, and then it will navigate you left or right. So again, if just this is turned on, you can see if it works. And if it doesn't, toggle on play as a Bluetooth phone call. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.